As the debate on further lockdown measures continues to divide public opinion, a simple question: are parliamentarians asleep at the wheel as governments throughout the UK take increasingly draconian measures without, it would appear, too much scrutiny? Is the attitude to curtailing liberty too cavalier and done with insufficient scrutiny? Senior Tory Sir Graham Brady accuses his own government of treating voters like children. Now, some criticism of politicians can be motivated by a general distaste for anyone in power, or it can be a calculated act of tribalism by the more politically motivated. But when judges weigh in with criticism, everyone should listen, if only because it goes against the constitutional grain. Justices are normally above the hurly-burly of public debate. Lady Hale, the former president of the Supreme Court, says when the Coronavirus Act was passed by Westminster in March, Parliament did surrender control to the government at a crucial time. She adds, "My plea is that we get back to a properly functioning constitution as soon as we possibly can." Her former colleague Lord Sampson calls the rule of six in England unenforceable, and he likened the ban on gatherings to the actions of a Stasi state. These are powerful observations which suggest that on lockdown measures, parliamentarians have been way too passive. Here's a simple idea. Before a significant step change in strategy, it should be the subject of parliamentary debate and approval. Parliament, not the government, should own the strategy. Now, Boris Johnson, Nicola Sturgeon et al. Take decisions after canvassing expert opinion and interrogating data. Their decisions are not knee-jerk, but there is a palpable sense that a growing number of people are not just frustrated by a policy of tighter lockdown, but oppose it. In those circumstances, the very least that should happen is that those representing all of the people should interrogating those who seek to argue that limiting freedom is a necessary measure to protect public health.